That's embarrassing. Oh my god, this is not very So, give me a second. I haven't posted in so dang long. Anyways, today, what we're gonna do is show you all my fidgets. I don't have a lot. I wouldn't say I have a lot because I barely started a month, 2, I don't know. So my first started collecting fidget. Give me a second. It is my yellow puppet that has metallic stuff. I regret. So, I was spending the night at my tia's house, and at Target there was this Nesh ball, a stress ball, and I wanted it. The Nesh came off, so I had a green ball. My cousin popped it, my little baby cousin. He popped it. I know it was on accidentally, but I had it in my bag, in a plastic bag, and my puppet, but the plastic bag was in a different bag, and it was in this. And then the plastic, wait, what's in here? And then, oh my god. Okay, and then so the plastic bag and the slime. So the slime was in the plastic bag, and I put the bag and all my other stuff in there. Literally, it got on this and opened, thinking it's closed, it's good. Not only that, it got on my teacher. Okay, so my teacher makes these stuffed animals, and I know, but it got on it, and you can't wash it. So I tried my best to take it off. It's all out. I tried, I think. Anyways, next fidget. Backstory on this. Became a weird part. So mochis. These are not my third or anything. The rest in step 1 came in a fidget pack. So they're dirty. Yes, I know. I had to wash them. I got this little bunny mochi, pink little mochi. I like this one. I got, this one's dirty, I know. This white, I don't know, I think it's a cat mochi. I gotta wash it. Oh my god. And this another bunny, but it's laying down. And that's all my mochis. Moving on to my textured, not regular, monkey noodles. I have this dinosaur monkey noodle. I forgot what they're called. I love these. I actually lost one of my favorite textured monkey noodles. I'll show it at the last. I have this unicorn textured monkey noodle. I like doing this with them. Wait, no, it's regular monkey noodles. And I don't do this with them. It's not these, I use them. Here's my favorite one, and here's also one that I lost. Oh my god. Okay, now moving on to regular monkey noodles. Don't have a lot of regular monkey noodles. I only have 2. It came in the pack. I got neon green. These are the ones I do this with. I hit my face. Ow, that hurt. And I had this hot pink one. Oh my god. Yeah. I don't want to get it. Next, moving on to my last poppet. I had this flower poppet. Oh my god. At the end of the video, I'll do a little ASMR. Okay? Yeah. Do a little ASMR. So, next. Pop it. Oh. This one also came in the fidget pack, but I'm mad about this fidget. This Pop It. It's a square. Oh my god, it's a square neon. But when it came in the package, it had this hole. Like, really, at least, but I showed my mom, and I said to her, at least it's still pops, you know? Welcome. Like if you like fidgets. If you don't like fidgets, just keep on watching. Anyway, so moving on. Alright, anyway, moving on to my stress balls. I have this football stress ball. Give me a second. It's my dog. She's been crazy, but she's always crazy. Anyway, I have this football. That came in the fidget pack. I have another one that also came in the fidget pack. I thought I was gonna get this, like this one, and like a green one. But no. I get the same. Which is, now the one I'm about to show you is not in the did not come in the fidget one, which is the fidget pack. This one did not come in the fidget pack. This is the one that I'm talking to you, but a green, just green, not sparkles, broke. But there's a different, my green one did not do this. So, move on to my last item. So the last 5. So these came in the pack. They're just regular bouncy balls. They're they're, I guess, fidgets. I don't know. I have this thing. I don't know what you call it. What if you know what to call it? Call it. I think my comments are banned. Like, yeah. If you know what to call it. I don't know. Do you? Anyways, and then the last thing I have is this puzzle ball that actually my cousin likes a lot, which I like it too. Pretty. That's a puzzle ball. I'm just kidding. Anyway, so that's all of my showing you all my fidgets, but I did when I was showing you guys all my Pop-Its. Said I would do Pop-It ASMR. So when you, know what time it is, so you know we gotta do a Pop-It ASMR. Starting off with my teal square Pop-It. Next, my flower Pop-It. Next is my yellow Pop-It. This one sounds so good. So we are done with the ASMR puppets and showing you all my fidgets. Hopefully you like. Just turn on the notification bar, and hopefully you subscribe. Wait, you didn't subscribe? I'll give you a chance. You have 5 seconds. Yeah, 5 seconds to do it. Can you do it? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Did you do it? You did? Well, hit the notification bar. See you in the next video. Bye!